Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based software platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, including project management, task management, and document collaboration. But is it a spreadsheet software? That's the question I'll be answering in this video. What is Smartsheet? Before we get into that, let's take a closer look at what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a web-based application that allows you to create and share sheets. Sheets are like spreadsheets, but they have a few extra features, such as the ability to add tasks, assign tasks to people, and track deadlines. Smartsheet also has a number of other features, such as workflows. Workflows allow you to automate tasks and processes. Forms. Forms can be used to collect data from users. Reports. Reports can be used to visualize data. Is Smartsheet a spreadsheet software? So, is Smartsheet a spreadsheet software? The answer is yes and no. Smartsheet has many of the features of a spreadsheet, but it also has a number of other features that make it more than just a spreadsheet. If you're looking for a software that can help you manage your projects and tasks, then Smartsheet is a great option. However, if you're just looking for a simple spreadsheet tool, then Smartsheet may not be the best choice. Smartsheet versus Excel. If you're considering using Smartsheet, you may be wondering how it compares to Excel. Here's a quick comparison. Features. Smartsheet has a wider range of features than Excel, including workflows, forms, and reports. Ease of use. Smartsheet is generally easier to use than Excel, especially for beginners. Collaboration. Smartsheet is better suited for collaboration than Excel. When to use Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a good choice for the following. Projects. Smartsheet can help you manage projects of all sizes and complexities. Tasks. Smartsheet can help you track your tasks and deadlines. Collaboration. Smartsheet can help you collaborate with team members and other stakeholders. Data collection. Smartsheet can be used to collect data from users using forms. Reporting. Smartsheet can be used to create reports to visualize data. When to use Excel. Excel is a good choice for the following. Simple calculations. Excel is a powerful tool for performing calculations. Data analysis. Excel has a wide range of tools for analyzing data. Creating charts and graphs. Excel is a great tool for creating charts and graphs. Smartsheet is a powerful and versatile software platform that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is not a traditional spreadsheet software, but it does have many of the features of a spreadsheet. If you're looking for a software that can help you manage your projects and tasks, then Smartsheet is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on learning.